How to share a board on Trello. So let's get started. There are a few ways how to do it. First, open boards and open the board you would like to share. Here you can click on share and there is an option to copy link and send it to someone. Or you can type here email address or name. If I type a name, I can easily search the member and then click on share. And I can share the board with him, but he is already the member. Or you can put here the mail address and do the same. Another way how to do it is click on these three dots, go all the way down and click on print, export and share. And here you got a link to share. And this is how can you share your board with others. So you can click here, copy link here. You can also adjust this link so you can send the link and they can join as an observer, or you can send a delete link. So there are a few options here, and this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.